Hey guys, I'm back, and now we're doing the Eureka Airspeed Pet Rewind Pet versus my Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled Bagged Upright Self-Propelled Ultra. And so we're going to be starting with the Eureka. This set, there used to be a sticker here that said better than Dyson, but I think both are good machines. But we're going to test it against my Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled today, which is also very powerful. They're both powerful. Now, let's see. Alright, now these are all set at the same height. So here we go. Alright, that did pretty well. See how much it got. Yeah, that got a lot. Alright, put back on there. Alright, so okay, now time for the Hoover WindTunnel Self-Propelled. Okay, Hoover just did leave a little because of the sole plate lines, but I think the Eureka did a pretty good job. Both. I think the Eureka won because it left a lot less than the Hoover, surprisingly. Unless you go back and forth with the Hoover several times, it'll come up. Alright, so but anyways, that's it for this video.